Each year we come together to honor the courage and sacrifice of those members of the armed forces who have fought and died in the line of duty.
It is a time for thankfulness and gratitude for those who have done so much so that the future generations may see joy, peace, and love.
My name is Kaya, and Remembrance Day to me means to remember the soldiers who bravely fought and sacrificed their lives for our country.
Go ahead, raise your neighbor. Go ahead and cheat a friend. Do it in the name of heaven. Justify it in the end. There won't be any trumpets blowing. Come the judgment day on the bloody morning after. Once dead soldier rise away.
My name is Peyton, and to me, Remembrance Day means not only honoring the people who fought for us, but the people who are back in their homes, keeping up the hope for a better future.
Uh-huh.